In the realm of video games, there exists a phenomenon that took the gaming world by storm. A game that seamlessly blended the thrill of Battle Royale with the creativity of building. This is the history of Fortnite. Our journey begins in 2017 when Epic Games, a powerhouse in the gaming industry, released Fortnite: Save the World, a cooperative survival game where players fought off zombie hordes and defended their bases. But the turning point came with the introduction of Fortnite Battle Royale. In September 2017, Epic Games unleashed a 100-player PvP mode, dropping players onto an island with only one goal: be the last one standing. Fortnite Battle Royale drew inspiration from PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, PUBG, another popular Battle Royale game. However, Fortnite had a unique twist, introducing a building mechanic that set it apart from the rest. The building aspect allowed players to construct structures on the fly, transforming the game into a dynamic experience where strategy and creativity became as crucial as marksmanship. Fortnite's popularity soared, partly due to its accessibility and also because of its cultural impact. Celebrities, athletes, and even musicians like Drake started streaming and playing the game, bringing it to a broader audience. Epic Games elevated the gaming experience with live in-game events, such as the infamous The End event, leaving players staring at a black hole for days. These events created a sense of community and anticipation within the Fortnite world. Fortnite continued to evolve with the introduction of the creative mode in 2018. This allowed players to build their own islands, turning Fortnite into a platform for user-generated content and fostering a vibrant creative community. Fortnite became not just a game, but a cultural hub. The collaboration with iconic franchises like Marvel, Star Wars, and DC Comics brought beloved characters into the Fortnite universe, transcending traditional gaming boundaries. Fortnite's narrative unfolded through multiple chapters, each introducing new elements and keeping players engaged. The ever-changing landscape ensured that Fortnite stayed fresh and exciting. As of 2024, Fortnite stands as a cultural phenomenon, continuously evolving and captivating players worldwide. It's not just a game, it's an experience, a shared adventure. New updates, collaborations, and events are regularly introduced to keep the game engaging for players. For the most up-to-date information on Fortnite's popularity and current features, it's recommended to check official announcements from Epic Games and the Fortnite community. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.